In today's video, I am going to teach you how to search in Microsoft Planner. When you manage a busy plan, it can take time to locate one specific task. In Microsoft Planner, the quickest way to narrow things down is by using the built-in filter panel, which includes a keyword field. This approach lets you search within the plan you currently have open, so you can find matching tasks without scanning every bucket. To begin, open Microsoft Planner in your browser and go to the plan you want to search. Make sure you are looking at the plan board, where tasks are arranged into columns. If you work in multiple plans, take a moment to confirm you are in the correct one before you start searching, because the results will only apply to this open plan. Next, move your attention to the top right area of the board. You will see an option called Filter. Select Filter to open the filtering tools for this plan. This is the main control center for narrowing down what you see on the board, and it is where the keyword search lives. Once the filter panel is open, locate the field labeled Keyword. Click into that keyword box, then type the word or phrase you are looking for. You can enter keywords from a task title or text you expect to be included in the task. You can also try typing a label name if your plan uses labels consistently, since that can help you surface related work more quickly. As you type, Planner updates what is shown on the board, so you can focus on the tasks that match your keyword. If your search feels too broad, add a bit more detail, like an extra word from the task title, to reduce the number of results. If nothing appears, double-check spelling, and try a shorter term that might be more common across the tasks. When you are done, you can clear the keyword field or close the filter panel to return to your full view of the plan. And that is all there is to it.